Hello everyone, in the last video we saw how we can install Claude Code, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can delete or uninstall Claude Code. First of all, let me search it on the Google and I get it a very simple way. I can uninstall it from PowerShell or command line. We just have to run a single code by npm, that is npm uninstall global anthropic AI Claude Code. So let me copy it and paste that in our PowerShell. After successfully uninstall that, then we have to delete the .claude folder. Where we can get that? Let me find it. First of all, we have to go to the Windows folder. Then we have to go to the users. Then we have to find out in which user we install the Claude Code. Click on it. Then find out .claude folder. If you didn't find that, you have to turn on the hidden file setting. Click on view, click on hidden items. Then you can get the .claude folder. Just simply delete it. And yes, you finally delete Claude Code from your system. Thank you.